Hi, in this tutorial I will install a nice extension that is Vscode Great Icons. I personally like these icon sets than the material icon. I am going to the extension, then search by Vscode Great Icons. This is Vscode Great Icons. Okay, click on installation. Now here two icon set comes, SETI and Vscode Great Icons. I am going to click here and this icon has been set. Now if I go to Explorer, you see that a nice icon set comes. Blue colors are folders and this is env icon. The PHP icons you will see here, this blade icons, blade file icons is separate. Okay, the PHP icon is this. Now if I go to CSS, you see that CSS icon is this, JavaScript icons is this. So a nice set of icons come here. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.